The odometer in Mr. Washington's car does not work correctly. The odometer recorded 13.2 miles for his last trip to the hardware store, but he knows the actual distance traveled is 15 miles. What is the percent error? Use a calculator and the percent error formula to find the answer. Show your steps. So to find the error, it's similar to finding how much it increased or decreased, but we're finding how far off the actual is from what they got or what they had found out. So 13.2 is 1.8 away from 15. And so on the percent error, we do the error or the difference divided by the actual, and then we do the percent over 100. So in this problem, our error is 1.8, and the actual distance traveled was 15. So we are going to cross multiply and divide to figure out what the percent comes out to. So please multiply 1.8 by 100, and then divide that answer by 15. And then tell me what the percent error is. You finish it up.